You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. Now I see you as a strange mix of someone angry yet apathetic, but mostly just pathetic. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive, but not you. Not anymore.
Sick of people who don't appreciate their blessings.
This is your wake-up call. Now you will be the cause of death.
Give me that sweet cancer.
The cigarettes are harmless, I promise. Smoking is only poisonous when it ends in bloodshed. Think about this. You don't need a gun to kill Adam. Game over. Live or die. Make your choice.